Technology, and MMIT IEEE Student Branch. I, Tanishma Surmale, warmly welcome you all to PRAXIS, a premier scholars knowledge exchange platform. This is a monthly global hands-on workshop series that brings together distinguished student speakers to share knowledge, ideas, and innovation. We are proud to host the very first session of this series here at MMIT. Now, let us begin with the felicitation of our esteemed guest. I request Dr. Subhash Rathod sir to kindly come forward and felicitate Dr. Neha Sharma with token of her appreciation and respect. It is now my privilege to invite Dr. Monika, Branch Counsellor and Vice Chair, JCTS IEEE Pune section to address the gathering.
A very good afternoon to all of you. I welcome all of you to our today's program PRAXIS, organized by MMIT IEEE Student Branch in association with Joint Chapter of IEEE TEMS and IEEE System Council, JCTS, IEEE Pune section, for which we, Neha ma'am and Rathod sir are the authorities presently. The purpose of this program PRAXIS is to give platform to students' knowledge exchange and creativity and facilitate peer-to-peer learning and networking. It's not a regular classroom teaching where the teacher teaches and the students listen or not listen. It's an equal opportunity to both the speakers and the audience to share their knowledge. This event will be a monthly recurring global flagship event of JCTS, where in the online version, we will have student speakers and audience from various parts of the world. Today is the first offline session of PRAXIS, and we have two tracks today, ethical hacking and generative AI. After this session, our distinguished student speakers will conduct various activities and competitions, and the winners will be awarded with gifts and e-certificates. To extend the knowledge sharing opportunity to more students, we have kept 5 minutes demonstrations from 3 more student speakers. I hope you all participate actively on these activities and enjoy yourself, gain a lot of knowledge and inspiration. Happy learning.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Next, I request Dr. Subhash Rathod sir, HOD Computer Engineering and Treasurer at JCTS IEEE Pune section, to guide us with his thoughts.
I welcome all the participants coming from various institutes for this today's program as a workshop, PRAXIS workshop, by sharing the thoughts on generative AI. For these programs, this is the first program hosted by JCTS section in Pune, right? And today with us, Dr. Neha Sharma, Chair, JCTS Group IEEE section. Vice Chair, Dr. Monika Madam, JCTS Group. Neha is Vice Chair, IEEE Pune section chapter, and he is from Subhash. Our student, Maithilee Kedare, co-SSR IEEE section, SAC, and Secretary, MMIT IEEE chapter, and all the participants. Today is the first program, as I said, though the participants very less, as it is the first one, and it's very decided to short play out the line, right? Though the sum of the team particular company from other institute and some other from other institute. So I'm very sure that the programs and the thought exchange from this scholar, right? This program said it is a premier scholar knowledge exchange program, right? So understand, something will be shared between you and the student. Take this knowledge with you and you will be the leaders for this group. This group tomorrow we are expecting. chair, Neha ma'am says that you can start the society of this group as you are hosting this way, right? And you are two leaders from the MMIT, and ma'am, we are very sure that we already started the computer society section before the technical batch. Very soon we complete that process. We are active members from the active senior members. So Dr. Chaudhary sir is active member, and very sure that Chaudhary sir and Monika leads among this JCTS group. Along with that, the some as the faculty member is here right now. Dr. Jason ma'am senior member actively, Dangore sir active members, Noah madam active members. So this year, for your kind information that the maximum members is around from the MMIT. We will go through the circle. So big applause for them. Please clap for them. Again, the students from MMIT, most of the students are participating joining for this program. Very soon, again we will host many programs under the JCT group. We will apply for the funding from the JCTS ma'am, and ma'am is here for supporting us. We will prepare the complete schedule of the years, ma'am, and we will host at least month by quarter. As idea under the JCTS, we have again others meeting at outside in the hotel, and our members will be in among that. So I am expecting the same in right on this platform from you all that members. So thank you very much for coming to the MMIT today for this programs. Thank you, Neha, for sharing and Maithilee. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable insights. Now, I invite Dr. Neha Sharma ma'am, Chair JCTS IEEE Pune section and IEEE site. She is a distinguished data science and AI expert with over 25 years of experience, currently leading AI solutions at TCS. She is an accomplished author with numerous research publications and has received prestigious recognitions, including the Golden Book Awards and National Level Best Paper Presentator Award. Her insights have been shaping innovations in AI and sustainability, and it is indeed a privilege to have her share her thoughts with us today.
Thanks for the introduction. Very welcome to all again, does not matter which stream you are from, which vertical you want to work on. All of you, interested people can come together and work on. This society gives you that. It also allows you to innovate through your work. It also, helps you in inculcating the leadership quality. And this program is an example for that, where we are trying to train next generation leaders. Right? We all feel that you are, strong in certain things. You can be strong in a theoretical concept. You may be strong in the domain knowledge. You may be strong in something or the other, right? Whatever you are strong in, our job, our generation job is to push that harder so that you evolve as a better and stronger and purposeful professional, right? So this is, as I said, this is an example of alignment of our activities with the objective of JCTS, right? Then it also gives you opportunity to become entrepreneur tomorrow, after acquiring all these various activities, sessions, events, what we do, you can decide to become an entrepreneur as well, right? And of course, the bottom line is you know how to use the technology for humanity, because ultimate goal, whether it is IEEE, non-IEEE, ultimate goal of technology is to serve humanity, right? Whether you are part of IEEE or not, this does not, change. We all have to ensure that technology for humanity first, business next, right? Now what we have planned, so our charter for the entire year is fixed. Next month we have a conference on blockchain under JCTS. It is organized by Christ College, which is in Lohgaon. Some of you who are interested in quantum. It's not blockchain, it's quantum, right? So any one of you who are interested in quantum field, you can go and attend the conference as a listener. See what people are doing, what is the latest in the field, right? At least you will get to hear, what is the area which people are already working, what is the area for which is work, so on and so forth. Then we have thought of hackathon. We have also planned internship for you, and of course the series will continue as Madam and Sir said that this will be monthly, right? And of course we are all open to new suggestions also, but then it should be in alignment with our objective and theme, right? So lot has been planned. The only thing is you have to participate. Any program will be successful, the purpose and the objective will be met only when you participate. Right? We will organize because it's part of our responsibility. We will keep on organizing, right? But when you participate, it actually comes to life, right? The event comes to life. So happy learning to all of you, each one of you. I'm sure the session is going to be very, very interesting, and it will be more interesting if you participate in this. And it is fun, when you learn from. And these days, gone are the barriers of senior, juniors. We keep on learning from you, so there's a lot to learn from each one of you, as I said. And to Rathod sir, you have one job in hand to form this JCTS society, and also site membership comes for free.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Site is special interest group for educated technology. Right? So that is free. Please take the membership. More societies you are exposed, you will come to know what other societies are doing and how you can collaborate and converge the workers. Right? Thank you so much.
Student, how can I get my network to Saturday?
Basic one.
How I'm getting my network access? Okay. So what I'm doing is, my device also has its MAC address of its own. Okay. Now when you're using Wi-Fi your own house, so someone might be the administrative control who will have the device who are connected to the network, they have the MAC address. And one thing is, whoever is the network administrator, they will always have the access to view your MAC address, your location, and then your IP address also. Because wherever you travel, your IP address is always traced. Now, you are using two sorts of MAC address and two IP addresses. How do IP addresses and two MAC addresses?
The correct one, that as
No, you have very access to network addresses. Why are you doing network addresses?
Is this related to something like
that is the IP version. So your IP4 is like run into 168. Now your IPv6 is accessible. You go in EBC.168. So I will have two network addresses.
एक डिवाइस का और एक सर्विस जो प्रोवाइड करते हैं उनका
Your name. So exactly. One is of your Wi-Fi, one is of your data. So your Wi-Fi links your MAC address to your device, and your mobile data links your device to the network provider. You have same network provider and same Wi-Fi merged, and then you can have the access. Okay. By the time whosoever is installing computers in India, anybody know what's the meaning of backward? Very efficient. Your laptop is very efficient. It is faster than that of your computer. So anybody else laptop सुना होगा बहुत सारे illegal cases में आया है drugs illicit content सुना what is this browser called? What does our browser do? Yeah, of course it has to access laptop. Yeah, it's again browser. It has multi-layer. And what? Okay. True. There is something to it.
And by the user device, it's to the user interface. It's not centralized and to the user.
Okay. But then, if you're saying this, I can basically install Torrent on my device. I do any VPN or VPN machine. That's one. There is a main easy to do. So the thing is, what happens in document is that this organize is something very important. So if you don't organize your websites, the thing is that it won't reroute to multiple IPs. So if I were not to use Tor browser, my IP address is being routed to 6 different countries. Okay. And with Tor browser, I can have 17 layers of security. 6 on my own, and then rest given by the government. So in Tor, the major access that I use is the rich access. So what register do is, if you try to access the same onion websites on your Chrome browser or your Microsoft browser, you won't be able to access it because it is completely locked in a different world. Now, me personally being a bug bounty hunter, keep this thing in mind that a hacker never forgets. So once I have your IP address caught, I'll ensure that I have all of your bank details, I'll ensure I have all of your money, I'll ensure I have your records locked until and unless you give me what I want. That is mine. So, I'm just conveying on a safe note, please don't access backwards on your devices. I know it's interesting and fun if you go to the dark web and do something. Don't. Okay? A single mistake and everything can get compromised again. Okay? So just don't try. And so, as I mentioned about the website for its break, I was also one of their security testers. So this was the actual report that I had got. Monika is one of these Flagship units that we have. We found the critical vulnerability there. There were these levels of vulnerabilities on the entire set of data. Now I think I've been patched. This is a full report that I'm showing you guys with permission. Yes. These were the scopes and targets that I had personally targeted. So basically what happens is at the back end, when you are targeting any particular system, the language plays a very important role. Okay, we're using JavaScript, but which JavaScript? There is Django, there is Angular, there is React, then there is your local host server that is being attached to your website also. So accordingly, when you do it manually, don't just manually do the, let AI also help you. Okay. So when you have a series of subdomains, copy paste them and throw them to AI. For you to shortlist one or two which are vulnerable, because jahan pe when you shortlist, you get it wrong. This particular website is critical. This particular website is medium threat accordingly. So yeah, these were the tools that I had used. UPIs, cross-working vulnerability scanning, flexibilities. HTTPS basically duplicates the entire website. Another duplication, then I can track items as well, because it is not happening in the original. Once I have the vulnerabilities, then I can attack itself. Yeah, so then Katana is one of my favorites, which is used for endpoint discovery. From your endpoint, how I can get the access to actual device? It's an amazing journey. Try to explore Katana and given you the series of questions that you can do about the artist. So try those.
Can you hear me, guys? Yes. Mic check. Are we high on mics? Yes. How was the session in our today? Amazing? Yes. So there are a lot of things that you should be doing, and there are 10,000 things that you should not be doing. Okay? Okay. Now, Monika ma'am wanted me to tell you about myself. So I am Dr. Dimple. I have been into industry since 20 years. I've been working with a lot of big brands like WNS, Emphasis, BMI, and for last 10 years I'm part of TCS. Okay. So cybersecurity is one of the units where we are looking out for exceptional people who are good in cybersecurity, and that is the reason that I have been working with Neha and Kamal and team, so that we get you all aware of what exactly the opportunities are. I go to quite a lot of colleges, mentor them, guide them to get a track where you guys can get a good opportunity into top corporate world. Okay? Now, we spoke about cyber security, and this handsome guy, he told us about how you should be getting into dark web and all. But here in TCS, what we are trying to do is we are trying to create two teams, which is red team and blue team. You all are aware of it, right? So we are here in TCS. We try to get people who are basically stopping that. Okay, part of blue team. Okay, so that's all how we do. So there are a lot of opportunities which are there. If you are from CS, you are from cyber security, you have all these interested in these kind of things. Please make sure that you register for a lot of hackathons, CTS. We already have girls. Humongous opportunity for girls. Seriously, in cyber security, we need. And I tell you what, all of you are here. How many of you are, when you talk to people, especially girls, okay? We are very, very pro in getting, palki khali, right? उसने ऐसा नहीं किया, she did this wrong, he did that wrong. कभी निकालना हमारी बहुत psychic में है, girls, right? And what we do exactly in cybersecurity, Kamal, you will. Okay, so what we do in cybersecurity is we go ahead and find faults. And for us, it's very easy because we are made by God in a way that everything has to be systematic, right? Anything that breaks system and anything that is not systematic, you give it to a girl, she'll find it out and she'll try to base things. That's why it's a huge opportunity for all equal girls here, if at all you want to get into it. Okay? So I think that's all from me. Guys, it's for boys also. There are opportunities for boys also. Okay? I think
you all might even be aware about the AI tools that I'm going to present today. So, hi, my name is Maithilee Kedare, and I'm here to give you some knowledge on generative AI and a hands-on on some tools that I have, figured out something for you. So, in today's session, you will learn how to build content, you will learn how to design, and how you will generate image to posters. Okay? Alright. So this is the roadmap for the session. Can everybody see? Everybody from there. Okay. So first I will be teaching you what prompt engineering is. Now most of you all know that in today's world, if you want to survive in corporate world, you have to be working with AI. Now working with AI is not just, like giving something and it will tell you. You should know what exactly instructions you have to give to the AI. So it's very important to understand what prompt engineering really is and what are the types of ways you can instruct the AI to work with you. Then the next will be going into a very interesting part is how you can build a website in 5 minutes using the AI tool. Okay? Then next will be learning as to how you can build a UX design with AI. And then we'll be having an AI poster competition just to make it more fun. Since I'm aware that many of you might know this stuff, but it's still informative at the end of the day. Yeah. Okay, now let's understand what actually generative AI is. Can anybody just tell me what generative AI is according to you? Anyone? Any guess? Words? सब लोग रोज ChatGPT को यूज करते हैं ना? सब चीज के लिए करते हो तो एटलीस्ट एक आइडिया होगी जनरेटिव एआई क्या है? Anybody know? Yeah.
AI model that can produce any type of content.
Yes, correct. Just a correction in that, generative AI produces the content with your instructions. So it's really important what instruction you're giving to your AI because the required output is very important while using AI. So that is what generative AI is. These are the things that we are going to learn today. We are going to learn how you can text and code with AI, how you can design and make a user interface with AI, and how you can create posters with images and with like your own instructions, your creativity. Okay. So now these are some prompts I would like to share while using the prompt engineering. One is when you're giving a prompt, be very specific because that is important. And why I would say to be specific is now I'm not sure how many of you all have the Pro X version of ChatGPT or are using a Claude. Because क्या होता है कि जब हम ChatGPT use करें, I don't have a Pro version of ChatGPT, so there's a limit for everyday use. If you see, after a certain period of time, the ChatGPT gets exhausted. So it's very important कि if you have a time limit, कि इतने टाइम में तुम्हें use करना है, it's very important for you to be specific about it. Then the next is give examples. Like always, when you're giving an instruction, you should have an example ready. If this is how you want a certain thing to work, you would want an output like that. So it's very easier for ChatGPT or even any AI to learn from. Okay, then the next is assigning a role, just as I said, role based. Then set constraints. That again I said like instruction based. That you have to give, it should be 100 words, use the catch me role or something like that. Then iterate and refine. So iterate and refine is using that code like multiple times, refining the prompting again and again. Like let's say you're generating, you're giving a prompt to the AI, okay, and you're trying to like you're continuously using that and you want to make changes. Let's say when you're using Cursor as he said, and you want some changes into your project. Okay, this is a scenario you build a website or something and you want some changes in it. Now you're making the changes again and again and you're refining the prompt that you're giving to your AI. So that is what iterating and refining is. And then chain prompts, just as I've explained at the few short prompt. Okay. Did you guys write the prompt? Okay, let's start generating. It's going to take a while, 3 to 5 minutes, but yeah, it will make.
everybody having a stable network? Now this is just creating all the components that are mentioned in the prompt that you want in your website. All the features that you just explained in your prompt. So VO is like basically creating the React files for you. It's creating the layouts for you, the UI layouts that you require in this. So that's what VO is doing. On your right hand side, you can actually see the process that's going, so you can read it out. So guys, this is the step where it's refining and checking for if everything that it has built is correct and according. Okay, so this is our website that is built. You can see, as we mentioned in the prompt, it has everything ready for us, built for the future, everything. Now, when I want to click on something, it does not actually work because we have not deployed it yet. It has made us an website, but it's very important that we deploy it. So here, as you can see, when you click on the publish, here you have customize your domain, visibility, create repository. So here you have to publish it. So here, once you go to custom domain, you can customize your own domain as to what you want it to be, and you can use WordStream for this, and you can have a domain for free, and you can deploy it over there, and you can even link it to your GitHub repository. Okay. Guys, even if you're that bad, it's nothing really complicated. It's just like ChatGPT, and I've provided prompts here as well. So this is the kind of output you get. Now this is for featured speakers. This I made with the prompt. Okay, I will be sharing the prompt as well ahead. But this is the kind of UI that you get created over here. Now these are the designs that I have selected, the new neon kind of color palette and everything. Now it's on you. What do you want to create? So it's all about creativity when you're using these tools. Okay. Now these are some prompts. If you want to pick a picture, if you're late or if you're busy, then you take a picture of it. I'll be sharing it either way. It's later. Since we are short on time, so I won't be demonstrating this because we have to have a poster competition. Okay? And everybody take the picture. Some लोगों ने बोला, what about that side? Did you take a picture of the prompt? Anyways, later on the people who have missed out, I'll be sharing this on the YouTube. You can access it. Okay, now let's come to AI poster and image creation. Now, many of you all might be designing, poster making. If you want to, just touch up or have an idea, or people who are just not into creation, because I can't create. For say, I can't make a poster and I don't have the creativity. So this is a really good platform, okay, a good AI tool you can use it. This is an ideogram.ai, this tool. Here you are going to give a text input. If you want to even make images, now let's say I want to make a poster for a poster competition and I want to add logos of MMIT, let's say IEEE section. I'm going to provide it with some images of the logos. I'm going to tell it to create an image and have these logos. You can even mention what size you want it to be. And it's going to create the images for you. Now here you can also adjust the ratio of how you want your poster size to be. If you want it to be professional, if you want it to be cartoon or something like that. Okay. Now this is the website that you should be opening right now. Search ideogram.ai. Everybody search ideogram.ai. It's right here. the limit, you can use the AI for free. Now here, it's 0 credit since I used it, but you normally have 16 to 17 credits there. So you can create an image for about 4 to 5 products. Like you can be using these tools. But you can definitely, change your email accounts for every AI tool, and you can optimize the use of it. Okay, so let's do something fun. Quiz filter. Okay? I'll quizzing content. I'll ask 2 easy level questions, 2 medium level questions, and 2 advanced level questions. Okay? Has everybody uploaded? क्योंकि सबका attention चाहिए.
Guys, have you uploaded? Yes. Everyone? Yes. Please ask me about it. Okay.
Okay, sub ready? Okay, perfect. So first question. What does generative AI do? Number 1, stores data. Number 2, creates new content. Number 3, deletes the data. Number 4, only analyzes the data. Okay, yeah, right. What's your name? Shashank. Give a round of applause to Shashank. I'm giving you a 5-star chocolate. Please give him a 5-star chocolate. So जिसको 5-star पसंद है ऐसा करना चाहिए. What is the starting point of most AI image generating models? I am repeating again. What is the starting point of most AI image generation models? Number A, blank canvas. Number B, sketch. Number 3, random noise. Number 4, template. Do you know? Okay. The next question is, what is diffusion in AI? Okay. Number 1, data storage. Number 2, noise to image process. Number 3, image compression. Number 4, coding technique. Somebody else? वापस repeat करूँ? Okay. Sorry. Coding? वो option ही नहीं था. ठीक है, एक बार repeat करते हैं. What is diffusion in AI? First option, data storage. Second option, noise to image process. Third option, image compression. Fourth option, coding technique. No. No. AI replaces humans, true or false? False. AI understands emotions, yes or no?
Yes.
Can AI relax?
Yes.
Is AI always correct? Which part of prompt engineering defines the output structure? Which part of prompt engineering defines the output structure? Number A, context. Number 2, task. Number 3, format. Number 4, example. ठीक है. That was it, guys. Thank you for attending the session. Hope you are getting something. I'll also be sharing a toolkit with all of you. You can go and access all the things that we did and what do you